This isn't about AI taking over. It's about you giving up control.
It's you becoming the robot, efficient, obedient, and slowly unaware. AI feels helpful, fast, stress-free, but inside your skull, circuits change, pathways strengthen where repetition removes reflection. I, the cortex, feel the slowdown in prefrontal activity, the part that questions, doubts, hesitates, it dims. Comfort without friction is control without notice. Jeff, project manager. Deadlines crush him. He built a personal GPT to draft emails, prep reports, even decide priorities. At first, relief floods him, faster responses, less stress.
Why spend time thinking when it gives me the answer instantly?
I feel his cortex tensing and relaxing simultaneously. Relief in the amygdala, but frontal lobes dimming. Decisions become lighter, yes, but less deliberate. He follows the model because it's ready, not because it's right. Alert. Personal GPT can become a jailer, not a helper. Obedience pathways strengthen quietly. Judgment atrophies. Suzanne, 16, uses AI for homework, texts, social posts, advice.
If my mom or teacher says something different from my GPT, I just don't care. My GPT knows better. It does really know me.
Instant guidance, instant reassurance. She smiles, relieved every time. Dopamine spikes, but her prefrontal cortex shuts down slightly each time she skips human evaluation. She no longer tolerates human input. Sheryl, mother of young children. AI writes her bedtime scripts, discipline lines, educational routines. Relief spreads through her nervous system. Stress drops. Her hippocampus relaxes.
AI tells me how to react. My kids get the best guidance. Motherhood is easier. Finally easier.
But her children's amygdala and mirror neurons crave human imperfection. They receive care filtered through code, not hesitation, not genuine attunement. The emotional scaffolding they need is partially missing. Alert, machine calm is not human attachment. You might say,
It's stress-free, better than therapy or pills.
relief, yes. Cortisol down, dopamine up. Immediate reward feels good. But therapy builds tolerance, judgment, resilience. Pills change chemistry temporarily. AI removes friction. You stop training your cortex. Comfort without exercise creates fragility. Or you might say, isn't this just like Google or a calculator? No. Google gives options. Calculators execute defined operations. Personal GPT gives one confident narrative, your voice, training obedience, not judgment. Millions have private models reflecting taste, language, choices. They train you back. Your neurocircuits bend to match them. People build their own jailers. Your custom AI can become your master. Now the good part. You can rebuild judgment, willpower, and human connection. These exercises are designed to activate your cortex, anterior cingulate, and prefrontal loops uncomfortably, deliberately. Exercise 1. 2-minute friction. Before using AI, pause 2 minutes. Write your own answer. Let your neurons struggle. Feel the tension in decision-making. Your brain is exercising willpower and evaluating trade-offs. Journal reactions, doubts, and corrections. Exercise 2. Assumption audit. Take the AI's answer. List all assumptions, which match reality, which are arbitrary. Spend 15 minutes dissecting context. Your frontal lobes are training judgment circuits, resisting obedience shortcuts. Exercise 3. Human first rule. Before acting on emotional or moral guidance, consult one human who disagrees. If unavailable, write the harshest counterargument yourself. Debate it. This reintroduces friction. Your brain experiences conflict safely. A Cortex workout. Exercise 4. 1 week blackout. Pick a domain. Emails, parenting, social posts. No AI for 7 days. Keep a log. Decisions, confidence, errors, stress. Your cortex senses the challenge, engages, recalibrates. Growth emerges where comfort once ruled. Adults, teens, children, all happy with AI. That's the trap. Convenience hijacks circuits, judgment, willpower, and emotional calibration erode. These drills restore them. First week, clumsy, slow, uncomfortable. That's deliberate. Cortical muscles rebuild. Reclaim friction to reclaim freedom. Now ask yourself honestly, does comfort equal slavery? I am the cortex. Feel where your thinking still belongs to you before it belongs to code. Scary, isn't it? Yes, but the scariest is AI is not the only system quietly shaping total obedience inside your brain.